In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if someone sent you money on PayPal. Whether you're expecting a payment from a friend or want to ensure your transactions have been processed correctly, it's always useful to know how to confirm a payment on PayPal quickly and efficiently. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll need to go to your PayPal account. Open your web browser and type in paypal.com, which will take you to the PayPal homepage. Make sure the URL is correct to avoid any phishing scams, as online security is critical. Once you're on the site, you'll find an option to log in at the top right corner of the page. This is your first step to accessing your account details. Next, click on Log In. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, your email address and password, which you used when setting up your PayPal account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to complete this additional security measure. Sometimes PayPal offers to send a text message or a WhatsApp message to verify your identity. Choose the one that works best for you and follow the prompts to gain access to your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your PayPal homepage. It's here that you can manage all your activities, from sending and receiving money to reviewing previous transactions. It's a busy page, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. From your homepage, look for the Recent Activity section. This is where PayPal lists all your latest transactions. It's organized by most recent first, so any new incoming money should be at the top if you've received it recently. Click on this section to get a more detailed view of each transaction. You'll see the sender's name, the amount sent, and the transaction date, everything you need to confirm who sent money and when it was received. In addition to this, you can click on each transaction for more details if something seems off. It's crucial to double check this information, especially if you're dealing with large sums or international transfers. And there you have it. You can now easily confirm if someone has sent money to your account on PayPal. Remember, regularly checking your transaction history not only helps you keep track of your finances, but also protects against any unauthorized transactions. So make it a habit to log in and review your activities periodically. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your online experience.